Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Before looking into the, let us see what happened on yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for Nifty index futures. The price opened here 10,565. We expected the price to stay in downtrend, so right after the opening, slowly steadily the price went near 10,600, found resistance and came down till 10,520 and closed near 10,550. So initially we had some sort of buying towards 10,600. Finally we had a good resistance and the price came down. Today it's expected to open somewhere within or in and around 10,580. So we are expecting a bit of higher opening, which is subjected to changes since we are posting this video presentation much earlier. There may be minor changes also. So what happened, how we tried to do that in the option, we thought of buying 10,450 put option, which opened around 38. So it came down till 30s. Finally it picked some momentum and it went up till 50, close near 43.35. So we had made some minor profit also. So what we can do today, today also there is no change in our positioning. Still we expect Nifty to stay in downtrend, which means again we need to go and buy put option. The selected price was the strike price was 10,350, which closed around 26.05. Today you can expect the price to open somewhere near 25 or so 22 or near 20s, since we are expecting a bit of higher opening. Let's say the maximum stop will be maybe around 22. You can even since if everything is going as per our expectation, you will make some profit. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.